Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Twitter account. First, navigate to the Twitter website or download the official app on your mobile device. Look for the Sign Up button, usually prominent on the homepage, and click it. You'll then be prompted to enter your name and either a phone number or an email address. After providing this information, create a strong, unique password. Finally, verify your account using the code sent to your phone or email. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your account is created, it's time to personalize your profile. Start by uploading a clear profile picture. This helps others recognize you. Next, craft a compelling bio. You have 160 characters to introduce yourself and your interests. Finally, select a unique username, often called a handle, which begins with an @ symbol. This is how others will easily find and tag you on the platform. Make it memorable and relevant. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, even when learning new things. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle for keeping your drinks perfectly chilled. It's fantastic for daily use. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your profile set up, you're ready to dive in. Begin by following accounts that genuinely interest you, whether they are news outlets, friends, or celebrities. This populates your feed with content you'll enjoy. Next, compose your very first tweet. Remember, it has a limit of 280 characters. Don't be afraid to explore trending topics and hashtags to see what's happening and join conversations. Enjoy connecting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.